So as I'm filming this video, I realized that I didn't explain a whole lot about what's going on and so forth in the video. Basically what I'm doing is I'm sending logs back and forth with my tuner Mark, and we're just making sure the car's good on the dyno. Was getting a little bit of belt slip, dropping to about 13.5 pounds of boost, made 820 wheel. I'll post like a picture of the dyno sheet. I should have it somewhere. And just a couple fun pulls. You know, it started out a lot lower, and then you tune it, you dial it in, and start turning it up a little bit. Still not really all the way turned up. We're at 16 pounds now after I fixed the belt slip issue, so I need to get the car back on the dyno to see what it makes with that change in boost, basically, because it's going to add quite a bit. I mean, you know, I'll do another video where the car was getting massive belt slip on the track, and I still ran a 10.0 at 140, I think it was, and I was like 8 to 9 pounds in third and fourth gear. So it's kind of silly, but it is what it is. So, all right, enjoy.